In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in Miro. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board where you want the data to appear. It helps to pick the area of the canvas where you'd like the import to land, and make sure you have edit access to the board. If you're working with a team, confirm you're all on the same board to avoid duplicate imports. Zoom in a bit so you can clearly see what Miro adds. This makes it easier to spot any issues right away. Next, look to the left side toolbar. Click the More Apps icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece or a grid. In the search bar that appears, type org chart. Open the org chart app, and if prompted, add it to your toolbar so it's easy to access later. When the org chart tool appears, click once on the canvas to place the object. You'll see a placeholder org chart widget ready to be populated. Now, select the org chart object on your board. In its options, choose Import CSV. Before you upload, a quick tip on preparing your file. Keep a clear header row and use consistent column names. For org charts, it's common to include columns like name, title, and manager or manager ID so Miro can understand the reporting relationships. Make sure each person appears only once and that your manager references match correctly. Save the file as a .csv from your spreadsheet tool and use UTF-8 encoding to avoid character issues. Keeping the file tidy and free of extra blank rows will make the import smoother. When you're ready, upload your CSV. You can browse for the file from your device or simply drag and drop it into the import window. Miro will process the data and build the chart based on what it finds. If a preview or mapping screen appears, confirm the columns are aligned to the right fields. After the import completes, you should see your org chart fill in automatically. Use zoom and pan to review it. If something looks off, like missing links or incorrect hierarchy, undo the import, fix the CSV, and try again. Often, a missing manager value or a typo in a name is the culprit. That's it. You've signed in, opened your board, launched the org chart app, and imported your CSV. With a clean file and clear headers, the process is quick and reliable, and your team structure will be ready to present and collaborate on in Miro.